Okay, so let's break down this trade, how I open a trade on here, and I posted in my Telegram channel. So if we go to our chart, this is the chart we are seeing, and eventually we see, I'm going to show you two different way to open this trade. One is, first, let's go to the engulfing way. So this is the engulfing sell we are seeing right now market. We don't have any data before that. So, and if we go to the 30-minute time frame, and the 30-minute time frame, we see another engulfing in that zone on our engulfing. So this is the another engulfing zone. Once we market come back, this is the candle where eventually we see from H4 breakdown, and eventually also we have another and 30-minute engulfing zone. Eventually market goes back to that engulfing zone, and we see this sell trade on here. The stop loss eventually is like 25 pips. You can eventually exit on 100 on 15 pips. I exited on 100 pips on here, but this is not how I open my trade today, because I totally took my trade today based on the SNR way. So how eventually, let's go to the 15-minute chart. In the 15-minute chart, we are seeing this is the breakout. This is the breakout. If you look at this one, this is the breakout of this candle, and eventually it is totally fresh on here. Then I go to the 5-minute time frame. In the 5-minute time frame, I saw this trend line we are seeing, and this is the trend line we are seeing on here. So this is the trend line. So this is number one, and this is number two, and eventually this is where we have an engulfing on the 5-minute also. So this is the zone which is giving us confluence also. So I draw another trend line from here to there. So this is the trend line. So this is the breakout of the trend line. Still this level is matching with this engulfing level and the fresh level. So if we match this trend line and that trend line, so this is the zone where we are seeing much more confluence. So I put my limit order on here, exactly on here. If you look at my chart, this is the limit order I had. I had two limit order, one I was there, another, but this stop loss, I made this stop loss like only 16 pips. So this is the trade I open. If you look at this one, so this is the trade that I had today. So this is the basic breakdown. Thank you so much.